Binance Withdrawal suspended? Fix it fast. Hey everyone, Binance Withdrawal suspended and you can't access your funds? Don't worry, here's the quick fix. First, this usually happens because of incomplete verification, security changes, or suspicious activity. Fix 1, complete your KYC verification. Go to your profile, open identification, and finish the process. This is the most common reason. Next, check if there's a 24 to 48 hour security hold. If you recently changed your password or security settings, just wait. It will unlock automatically. Also, make sure your two-factor authentication is properly set up and working. If you're withdrawing to a new wallet, whitelist the address and confirm it through your email. Then, check your account for any alerts or restrictions and follow the instructions shown. If nothing works, contact Binance support through live chat and they'll help you fix it. That's it. Simple steps to get your withdrawals working again. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.